Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin privileges and network access to the microcontrol center. Next, install the MCC Agent v2, 1 or later, and enable TLS1, 2 for secure connections. Once done, add your API key and collect device ID and credentials so you won't interrupt the flow. You need these pieces now because the console will prompt for them during the initial handshake, and skipping this causes failed enrollments and wasted time. You proceed to register devices using bulk CSV upload or manual entry and validate ID as you go. Then create and attach policies, access control, update windows, and alert thresholds so devices behave consistently. Policies propagate automatically once applied. After assigning profiles, confirm enrollment by checking status flags and real-time connectivity indicators. If logs show errors, pause and resolve certificate or network issues. You finalize by running a full compliance scan and exporting reports for stakeholders, then schedule updates and backups while verifying rollback points exist. Make sure monitoring and alerting are active so you catch regressions early. After a successful run, document any deviations and adjust policies for next cycles. If things go wrong, check agent logs, certificate validity, and firewall rules first. These 3 explain most failures. Then re-enroll a test device to confirm fixes before scaling changes to production.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.